Home Haircut Kit. The Conair Barbershop series no-slip grip 20-piece haircut kit is a home barber's dream. The corded hair clipper with taper control has Japanese stainless steel blades and a soft rubber grip for comfort and ease. Everything but the barber. This kit includes 9 comb attachments to guide the clipper as you cut and style for multiple lengths, plus barber scissors, comb, cape, cleaning brush and oil and a storage case. Respect the ritual. Don't crack under the pressure to look good. ConairMAN has beard trimmers, home barbering kits, electric shavers and more for precision cuts and trims so you can get your look right. Innovative grooming tools. From hair and beard clippers to trimmers, shavers, epilators and home haircut kits, Conair makes high-quality grooming tools for men and women. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers and ear, nose trimmers, ladies' shavers and oral care. Conair makes personal care tools for your daily routine. Conair Barbershop Series No-Slip Grip Haircutting Kit. Hair Trimming Kit, corded. The Conair Barbershop Series No-Slip Grip Haircutting Kit and Hair Trimming Kit has everything you need to achieve professional haircuts at home. This haircutting kit and hair trimming kit features a powerful hair clipper with adjustable taper control for easy adjustments while cutting, a no-slip grip for comfort and self-sharpening stainless steel blades, which are long-lasting and easy to clean. Also included are 9 secure fitting comb attachments for a variety of hair lengths, including left and right ear taper combs, barber comb, barber scissors, barber cape, a soft storage case, lubricating oil, and a blade guard for easy maintenance of the clipper blades. Top reviews from the United States. Replaced my old Conair. Bought this clipper to replace my original Conair clipper which had a cord failure. The failure was my fault due to the way I was wrapping the cord around the clipper to put away. This new clipper is lighter and much quieter and comes with the same length attachments as the original, so changing over was no problem. It's a very good value for the price and will save me literally thousands in haircuts. Very easy to use.